All right, folks, here is the requested video on number 23 from week 15 Tuesday. Okay, so here's number 23 from Reese's Problems. Here was the answer, and basically we are going to be using this. So the way I want you to think about this, because right now this format for number 23 is kind of funky. Okay, so I think we can all agree that if I had a fraction 2 minus 3 over 5, okay, as one big fraction, okay, you can separate the fractions out into 2 over 5 minus, okay, 3 over 5, okay? All right, and it's the same idea over here, okay? We're going to separate, just like the 2 and these got separated into that, we're going to separate these into two fractions. So this is basically going to be, this is easy right here. This root u over root u is going to be 1, okay? And here, this is 1 over root u, which is basically 1 over u to the power of 1/2, okay? And when you have 1 over u to the power of 1/2, that is the same thing as writing it as, okay? That is the same thing as writing it as this, okay, like that, okay, whoops, like that. So really, that orange right there can be simplified, the orange over here, right here, the orange over here can be simplified into this right there, okay? So now, you take the antiderivative based on this function over here. So you add 1 to this. So you using the formula, let's zoom in on that and ignore this -1. If you add 1 to -1/2, you get that. Okay, and we're going to take care of this 1 over n plus 1. Remember, n is -1/2, so 1 over -1/2 plus 1 gives us 1 over 1 over 2, okay? And 1 over any fraction means you flip the fraction, and if you flip 1 over 2, you get a clean 2 right there. So all I'm trying to say right now is this orange becomes this orange. And then when you take the antiderivative of this 1, obviously, okay, you are going to get u right here. That's easy, okay? So now that brings us up to speed with this lining up with this, with upper-lower bound. You plug it in, plug in upper bound, subtract plugging in lower bound, and boom, this is what you get over here, 0. Okay, hopefully that clears up any confusion. Thank you for tuning in, folks.